This video is intended solely for men, particularly those who have the courage to face the truth. What we have to say may be hard to swallow for some, and we may even receive a barrage of negative comments. Nevertheless, we're here to uncover how the concept of the Sigma male has been distorted by well-known YouTubers. Sigma males are indeed a rare and unique breed, with only 0.1% of males genuinely fitting this category. Yet, thanks to social media, this concept has become so widespread that almost everyone has started to believe they are Sigma males. If you think you are a Sigma male, you might not fully grasp what being a true Sigma male means or how to become one. What's essential is understanding the actual essence of a Sigma male. Historically, men were classified into two groups: alpha males and beta males. Beta males are the followers, quietly adhering to the commands given to them. Meanwhile, alpha males are leaders, characterized by their confidence, leadership abilities, and tough stance. As society evolved, it became clear that there's a third category of men who remain in the shadows. These men aren't alpha nor beta, thus creating the necessity for a new classification: Sigma males. Sigma males share many traits with alphas but choose not to lead. They possess the quietness of betas but refuse to follow anyone. Instead, they carve out their own path and live in their own world. In the power hierarchy, alpha males traditionally sit at the top, with betas beneath them. So where do Sigma males fit into this structure? The answer is they don't. Sigma males establish their own hierarchy, standing alone with no one by their side. Just as the jungle has alpha lions, considered kings, there are also Sigma tigers that command equal fear. The alpha leads a pack of wolves, while the lone wolf represents the Sigma. Alphas have an edge due to their leadership skills, backed by a beta army, while Sigmas fight alone. If an alpha and a Sigma male were to clash one-on-one, both would present an equal challenge. For any man aspiring to live an extraordinary life, it's crucial to shed the label of beta male and transition to Sigma. To find your place in this power hierarchy, there are a few key rules that Sigma males adhere to. The first rule is to avoid pretending to be a Sigma. Many first aim to become alpha males, and when they fail, they switch to posing as Sigma males. These false Sigmas, who are in reality beta males, spend their days idly scrolling on their phones, procrastinating on their goals, or freezing up at the thought of talking to a girl. Yet they'll act as though they're ignoring her. Behind closed doors, they brag to their friends about being Sigma males. Real Sigma males never feel the need to pretend. Just like a tiger in the wild doesn't shout at the alpha lion for recognition, the lion already knows and respects the tiger for being a Sigma. Thus, stop trying to declare your Sigma status. When you truly become one, others will recognize it without you having to say a word. Remember this second rule: gender neutrality. Now let's dispel a common misconception. Being a Sigma male does not equate to oppressing women, children, or those who are weaker. That's the behavior of weak beta males. Social media is filled with short clips of men disrespecting women and being labeled as Sigma males. Anyone can disrespect or harm a weaker individual, but that's not what a real Sigma does. A true Sigma is someone who makes others think twice before insulting anyone, regardless of gender. Sigmas are always ready to take on stronger individuals, not wasting away their days in bed glued to their phones. A true Sigma is gender neutral, treating everyone equally whether they're male or female. This distinct trait sets them apart from both alphas and betas. While alphas look to dominate, Sigma males know how to protect. Simply put, Sigma males aren't swayed by gender distinctions. Whether interacting with a boy or girl, they show the same level of respect. That's why you'll never see them going out of their way to cater to a girl, as they don't view girls as beings requiring special treatment. They speak to women with the same respect they offer others, without diminishing themselves. They don't fear the powerful, nor do they oppress the weak. Instead, they help. They're much like soldiers in our military, strong yet helpful. Sigma males possess immense resilience. No matter the difficulty of a situation, they endure it without complaint. This is largely due to their poker face demeanor. Whether in moments of joy or sorrow, they remain completely composed. You can apply all the pressure you want, but a Sigma male stays steady and unbreakable. The most successful individuals are those who stay the same in moments of triumph and hardship, opening the door to liberation. Consider figures like MS Dhoni, Thomas Shelby, Steve Jobs, Bruce Lee, or Keanu Reeves. These are people who, no matter what situations they're thrust into, maintain their calm. In the face of panic, they patiently observe and solve problems. A Sigma male's true identity is revealed in challenging situations, standing on the battlefield alone, facing an enemy army with no weapons or strength left. Even when defeat is certain, they fight until their last breath with such dignity that they never beg for help. That is the essence of a Sigma. Embrace your true self. The most remarkable quality of a Sigma male is their relentless drive for self-improvement. They chase their goals tirelessly without seeking comfort or rest. Their hunger for success keeps them from enjoying peace. They spend most of their time working on themselves, steering clear of unnecessary socializing or meaningless conversations. They avoid trivial gatherings and are indifferent to where their friends go or what they do. Sigmas don't envy others or look for external inspiration, as their primary source of motivation is themselves. Call it self-obsession or ego, but for them, the most important person is themselves. Their life's purpose revolves around this belief: silence is power. A real Sigma male prefers a peaceful, quiet life, much like a lone wolf. They're solitary travelers who create their own paths. They dislike needless chatter and see no point in arguing to prove themselves. When someone isn't doing their job, a Sigma quietly steps in and gets it done. This is why Sigma males speak sparingly, but when they do, their words leave an impact. Every word is carefully chosen. They aren't extroverted leaders like alphas, capable of delivering stirring speeches. A Sigma male's strength lies in their actions, not their words. They observe, think, and then act after thorough contemplation. If you want to tap into the real power of silence and transform your quiet strength, make sure to watch this video. It will empower you.